Welcome back to the next step, in which we'll connect teams to activities through contracts which describe their role in the activity. Please log in again through TeamPort Designer to the cloud-based server. Now we can see in the Architecture tab the project where we left off. Now remember the product breakdown structure that we just saw a moment ago? What if I try to take the team here, team 1, and I do the same thing. I want to make it related to start activity. TeamPort says, no, that doesn't make sense. We can't form a hierarchy from the team and the activity. So instead of dragging and dropping, we're going to draw a line. So I move my cursor to the top of the icon. I click, hold, and draw a line, let go, in this case to test. Let's see that again in a slow motion replay. As I move my cursor on the team towards the top, it changes into the icon of a hand. When it does so, I can click and hold, and while holding, I can draw a line towards another project element. And if it's something feasible, in this case, it is for the test, I let go, and that creates a contract that includes one or more roles for that team 1 on the test activity. So I can do the same thing. I'll assign team 1 to start. Let me hide the products, it's easier to see. I'll make team 2 the design team, so I'll assign them to design 1 and design 2. Team 3 will have working on the prototypes 1 and 2. And there we have it. Every activity has at least a primary team allocated. Now we can also see more information and confirm these in the team detailed pane, shown here in the activities have been assigned, including the roles for prototype 1 and 2. And for team 1, we see something quite interesting. Not only working on test and start, but they're a decision maker for the other activities. Where did that come from? TeamPort looked at the OBS, the breakdown structure, and assigned the decision-making role to parents. Now you can go into an activities detailed pane and change those default values. In this case, we're going to assign an assisting role, A, to teams 2 and 3 for the start activity. Zooming back out and showing the product, including the breakdown structure, we now have a fully connected model where the activities are related to the product system. They're related to the organization system, the OBS, and they're also allocated across phases, the WBS. That's it for now. Be sure to save your project. We'll make a description here so we can remember this version of the model amongst many, where we allocated teams to activities. That's it for now. We'll see you in the next step.